Hi, I'm Talena, founder and CEO of Girly Garage. I'm a trained mechanic with 13 years experience working on personal vehicles as well as for various race teams. Your car is a functional part of your everyday life. It's how you get to work every day, it's how you pick up your groceries. The problem is that women get taken advantage of at auto shops. Girly Garage is solving this problem by educating women about their personal vehicles so that they become safer and more confident on the road and are less likely to be exploited. This education is offered by in-person and virtual courses, as well as DIY YouTube videos. Girly Garage is making money by charging for the individual courses, as well as through referral partnerships. Since December 2020, I have gained over 754 followers on Instagram and 439 subscribers on YouTube. YouTube gets monetized at 1,000 subscribers. Over 21,000 people across my platforms and in person have empowered themselves to become educated and avoid being taken advantage of. I envision Girly Garage to be a household name. I foresee that when parents send their kids to driving school, at that point, a partnership with Girly Garage will provide a basic education about the machine they're climbing into so they can better understand how to care for that machine. It is my mission for women to learn something useful while having an amazing, meaningful experience and leaving feeling empowered.